missing important Windows security updates. This happens when critical Windows updates, .NET Framework, or certificates are missing outdated. Here's how to fix it step by step. Fix FACEIT Anti-Cheat error. Your system is missing important Windows security updates. Nennerstei 1. Update Windows manually. 1. Press Win I, go to Update and Security, Windows Update. 2. Click Check for Updates and install everything, including optional updates. 3. Restart your PC after updates finish. Number 2. Install latest .NET Framework. FACEIT Anti-Cheat depends on the .NET Framework runtime. Download and install the latest version from Microsoft. Download .NET Runtime. Please open your app to see this link. Number 3. Update root certificates. Sometimes Windows fails because it can't verify FACEIT's digital signature. 1. Press Win R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. This refreshes your root certificates. Alternatively, install the latest root certificate update from Microsoft Update Catalog. 4. Check for pending restart. If Windows is stuck waiting for a restart after updates, FACEIT will think updates are missing. Restart your PC at least once after installing updates. 5. Run System File Checker. Corrupted system files may block Windows Update. 1. Open command prompt admin. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Then run. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Restart PC. Number 6. Reinstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. 1. Uninstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat from apps and features. 2. Delete leftover folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Download and reinstall the latest version from FACEIT.com. Please open your app to see this link. Final check. Make sure Windows is fully updated, including cumulative updates. Launch FACEIT. Error should be gone. If you want, I can also give you SEO title, meta description,